Today we're going to be covering BETTS' company culture, KPI scores, waste reduction, incentives to improve waste reduction, Clarizen, and a follow-through of the conclusion. Company culture. KPI scores will foster a competitive and productive environment within the organization. Also, information sharing encourages employees to build upon others' ideas to help innovate. This is all going to be fostered within Clarizen's software program. Also, diversity within teams and allowing members to independently choose their rewards will incentivize employees to work cohesively. And lastly, reducing scrap material is a testament to BETTS' environmental awareness and cost effectiveness. KPI scores, what are they? KPI scores are a series of measures that internal managers and external investors can use to analyze BETTS' performance. KPI scores allow a company to compare performance in terms of meeting their strategic and operational goals. Also, KPIs are targeted as measures for BETTS' department to assess for identifying production improvements. How should KPI scores be used? Well, corporate executives will have access to all information, along with the trucks, parts, and service part of the company. Also, the vehicle component manufacturing side of the company will also have access to this part of the platform. And lastly, spring manufacturing will also have access. When it comes down to the level of detail that should be shared and with who, information containing goal specifications pertaining to individuals, departments, and the organization should be shared. Also, information demonstrating progress measurability to accurately assess department efficiency for consistently should be shared amongst the company as well. Relevant details linking to business and metrics that enable those using the information to make better decisions should also be implemented with the KPIs. And lastly, time details to achieve goals within a time frame. All these KPI scores will be shared instantly with the employees that they concern. Also, KPIs will be updated on Clarizen's online project management software. The key to KPI success: they must be SMART, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. KPIs will be structured through each department of the organization, which would be administration, finance, human resources, marketing and sales, and production. Waste reduction. High quality lubricants will allow BETTS to use less of the cheaper lubricants, eliminating waste, both in cost and material. Recycling. Investing in a recycle company near BETTS location to supply roll-off bins for scrap to be placed in. This will allow BETTS to save and also provide positive externalities within the company, which offers a win-win situation for all. And also creating a waste limitation. This would mean telling employees that they can only waste a set amount of scrap metal each month. Incentives within the company would be bat bucks, vacation time, raffles, and luncheons. Bat bucks are BETTS attitude and performance pool. In other words, would be implementing an incentive plan that rewards employees whose performance leads to maximize company efficiency. This would mean awarding employees bat bucks for leading KPI scores. Supporting awarding decisions based on all leading KPI scores would have to be implemented. Also, keeping a monthly distribution report by managers in order to keep track of amounts allotted to remain inconsistent with a budget. Giving employees flexibility with their backbucks is also key. Employees will have the opportunity to cash out the backbucks for pay on their paychecks or use to purchase days off by submitting a redemption form or other incentives. Clarizen. Clarizen enables on-demand, enterprise-grade project management for everyone. Active participation and secure cooperation lead to true team collaboration, while up-to-the-minute live knowledge helps align project data with business objectives. Core features of Clarizen are budget management, task management, resource management, team collaboration, time tracking, and reports and dashboards. Let's take a look.
You've got a mountain's worth of work, but with your current setup, it's project chaos trying to manage anything effectively. You've got 1,000,001 details, tasks, and people for every project, and all the tools that are supposed to help you track and manage those are all disconnected and incomplete. There's spreadsheets for this stuff, status meetings for that stuff, a calendar and a whiteboard. Then there's email. Lots of disorganized, mostly irrelevant, time-draining email. So basically, the only central integrated place where all of this massively important info lives together is in your head. Yeah, good luck keeping your boss or anyone else updated. Face it, you need a better system. Wouldn't it be great if there was a solution to all this work management madness? Well, there is. Introducing Clarizen. Clarizen is a software as a service that's super powerful, but super easy to use. And it gives you the ability to manage initiatives, work, and projects all from one integrated system. With Clarizen, projects and tasks get prioritized, so the important work gets done faster. And all your critical info and resources are updated, tracked, and managed from the same centralized system. Updates can even be sent via email. And there's a master view so that managers have the control and visibility they need. And since it's not like your work stops when you walk away from your desk, you can manage all of your projects via email or your smartphone. Basically, Clarizen kills the chaos and gives you and your team the clarity and visibility you need. It's the new way to work. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial today at clarizen.com.
So as you can see, Clarizen enables budget management, task management, resource management, team collaboration, time tracking, reports and dashboards, and integrations that will all help encompass every part of the organization into one. This will allow a streamlined process to increase efficiency within the company, which will lead to increased profits. So in conclusion, fostering company culture that's surrounded around KPI scores, which will lead to a competitive nature, also a team work-oriented nature, in eliminating waste while offering incentives and being tracked through Clarizen software would increase BETTS' overall performance. Thank you.